Hello viewers, myself MGD Tamim. In this video, I will show you how to remove photos background in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin the video. At first, you have to click open and choose the image. Then we have to click on the lock icon to unlock the image. Then we have to go window and select properties. We found here under the option we have to select subject, and finally we have to click on remove background and click OK. You can see the background is already removed very well. So by following this process you can remove photos background in Adobe Photoshop just only 2 clicks. Thank you for watching the video.